We're in the DeWalt booth. We're at World of Concrete for 2022, and we have a new offering I'm super excited about, and Nicholas back here is going to tell us all about it. It's coming right up after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. Want to help out the channel? Head on over to the merch store. You got hoodies, hats, and t-shirts. And hoodies, we got a lot of hoodies for sale. Link is in the description below. Welcome back. My name is Vince, and this is Nicholas. I'm super excited to see what you got going on here because I'm a big fan of this power stack battery. What can you tell us about this?
This is the drill driver DCD 791. This is the new model coming out in March.
So this is the compact replacement XR. I know a lot of you will be excited about that. This is replacing this. Look at the size difference. How did they make that happen?
We reduced a ½ inch on the tool head length while increasing the power 40% unit watts out. So that put that in perspective. The old model was 645 unit watts out. The new model is 900 unit watts out.
So they made it smaller, it's more compact, and it's 40% more powerful.
Yes, and that's with a power stack battery or a 5 amp power pack.
Wait, whoa. Did you say 5 amp power stack or did you say 5 amp power battery?
5 amp pack.
Oh, I thought maybe you slipped on something. I don't know. Sorry, we're trying to trip you up, Nicholas. So how should we run this demo? What do you think? Just run side by side?
Side by side. Power stack, both tapped in, speed 2.
So we're both fully charged. I'm ready when you are. You calling it?
Yeah.
All right.
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Did that happen too fast? You need to see it again? Okay.
Go. 1, 2, 3.
I'm stalled. I gotta run that.
640, yeah.
I gotta run that. You ready? Can I try to stall it? Do you mind?
Make as many holes as you want.
I'm gonna lean into it. Dude, that's a monster. Now, I know you have something else back there. I have to show it because I'm super excited because it's gonna make you more versatile and it's all coming in that compact package. What is it? This is the new hammer drill? Can I show them?
Absolutely. This is the DCD 805.
So this is the DCD 805. This replaces the 796?
796,
The 796. And you can see, like, I mean, it's just as compact or maybe even a little bit more compact.
6.37 inches, 6.9.
And this is just a drill driver. This is a hammer drill. Yo, that's awesome, dude. Look, three settings on the LED. And then a single ring for clutch drill and hammer drill. Can I run it?
Absolutely.
I gotta run it. Ready? Dude, that's awesome. Thank you, Nicholas. We appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
We are with the foremost expert. You've seen him before in this video over here. It's Ricky. We're excited to see this. What do you got, Ricky?
Yeah, this is our surprise launch at World of Concrete. It's our brand new DCS 692 9-inch cutoff saw.
So if I'm hearing you right, this is the first time ever anyone's ever seen this.
That's correct, absolutely.
Unless we're late with the content, and then
you guys aren't gonna be late. You guys are gonna be on time.
we're always on time. So what we got, Ricky?
So what we did was change the battery lid a little, but the big thing is we allowed now the 615 to give 2 to 3 times the runtime for the saw. That's like the big question. They're like, love the saw, does everything I need to do, just want more runtime.
Gotcha.
So we say yes.
This form factor, this size, so handy, dude. So handy.
It does 80% of the applications that you would normally use a 12 or a 14. The other big thing too is we even have more new blades coming for it too.
Do you?
Yeah, we have an asphalt blade coming. We have that's another diamond. We'll have a solid metal blade. So, you know, these abrasive blades, they shrink as you cut. Get this new metal body diamond grip blade. It's awesome.
So I have a question. So what makes it specific to asphalt? I would just usually throw the diamond blade on and just...
Yeah, it's the matrix that's in there that it's a formulation.
Gotcha.
That was what makes it special.
The nation of formulation.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Yeah, the other big thing is this saw now has wireless tool control.
Really?
Yeah.
So like the Tool Connect. Is it Tool Connect?
It's not Tool Connect, it's wireless tool control. So it allows it to talk to other enabling devices. So like the rotary hammer, the demo hammers you just saw,
Gotcha.
right? It talks to the vac.
So this is the same way. So if we wanted
Yes.
to maybe hook it up to a vac.
You know, I can't tell you what's coming next, right? That's gonna be kind of the surprise, but there
sounds
is
like-
something coming.
You know, denial is like a confirmation.
Yeah,
So,
pretty much, you know.
So what else? You have anything else for us?
So we have other things, but if you wanna try cutting with this new saw,
What do we cut with it?
we're gonna cut you some rebar. We're gonna drop you in the booth and let you get after it.
Nice. All right.
And then let me get you some hearing protection. I don't want you to go deaf.
Come on. I'm already deaf, bro. I don't even need hearing pro. Ricky was a young boy. Oh, look at that. Sweet. Do it again? No, I think it's sweet. To be honest with you, I think that the size it's just the 14-inch saws. Sometimes it's a bummer, the size and the weight. Am I really gonna pull this thing out? This is handy. I like a handy tool like this. It's just great. Ricky, what else can you tell me about this though? Is there anything else, a hidden secret, something the viewers would never know if you didn't tell us?
You know, this is the only one without the belt drive, right?
No, I didn't know
turn
that.
this around. See this saw, right? It's a shaft in there, it's a drive shaft. You never maintenance it. No belts to slip. That's why one of the reasons why this saw has such wicked power.
So is it when you're saying it's a shaft drive, like a helical or a worm?
No, so there's a shaft, right?
Yes.
With a spiral bevel gear set that attaches out here, right? So it comes right off the motor and then goes out.
You heard it here. Nobody else is going to share that info with you. We had to drag that out of Ricky. Thank you, Ricky.
Absolutely.
No belt.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do, pretend you're this guy, and you're here in the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.